Hi, my name is Proficient. I have been in the electrical engineering and contracting industry for over 30 years. I have had exposure to industrial, commercial, domestic type industries, as well as in the estimating and management in small and large projects. I have seen people who have stopped short in their development as estimators. They learn to take off quantities and price them, and the training just stops there. The electrical engineering and contracting industry pays a heavy penalty year in and year out because so many people attempt to estimate electrical work have not been properly trained. The only way to become a successful estimator is to be proficient in every phase of the tendering process, from receiving the documents right through the total process to the proper handover of a successful tender for implementation. This self-paced electrical estimating package for beginners will help you to become a successful estimator by providing the skills and practical tools for all the function in the estimating process. We will supply you with specific data to cover the installation of material items under different installation conditions, covering electrical accessories, electrical and communications cables, electrical conduit and fittings, cable support systems, switchboards, light fittings, trenching. In this package, we will include an Excel spreadsheet estimating template with common materials with attached labour units. The total package offered will also provide 30 years of experience and backup support. We are here to ensure your success. Do not wait until the last minute to train in the functions and art of becoming a successful estimator.
Take your electrical business and career to the next level by clicking one of the action links on this page. Will you outthink differently by taking action now for business and career success? You'll be so glad you did.